Alright, so it's time to get rid of that brake pulsation. Had it for a little while, not very bad, but definitely noticeable braking at the track. So we are going to upgrade and go with the R1 Concepts black zinc coated rotors. Drilled and slotted. See how these go. And we'll start getting this tore apart. I've also got the Extreme Powerstop Z26 pads we're going to throw on, try those out, and a little bit of a brake upgrade. Bracket and pins lubed up. We're going to apply some lubricant where they say here on some of the abutment tips and the ears of the pads, and we'll get this reassembled. this is the finished product. Love the way it looks and gonna match the exterior of the car. So now we'll get the wheel on and do the other side.